So this video is going to explain how to fix a little problem with the Honda Odyssey 2002 where the door does not function as it should. So when you open it, opens as normal, but then right when it gets to the very end, it beeps 3 times and then doesn't function normally. Normally you should do that and it should close, but you have to actually pull it to get it started, which is kind of inconvenient. Not to mention the noise isn't always pleasant. So what's the problem? It's as simple as this. You're probably missing the grommet. At least that's what it was with, in my case. So let's open it up here and get closer. Let's see if we can get some more light in here. Right there, that little hole was supposed to have a grommet in it. I noticed the other side had one, so instead of ordering one, I just 3D printed one out of TPU. It's like a rubbery material, polyurethane. But anyway, so if we just stick that in there, we should be good to go. Alright, so now the little rubber stopper is installed. I'll put the part number somewhere on this video if I can find it. So now let's see if it works. Closes. Now when it opens, that's beautiful. No beeping, and if I pull this, it should close. It works just like new.